Exercise 2.4, question number 3. We need to find out the multiplication of 1.3 into 10. So we can do with the direct method also and the simplification method. So first two questions we will see with the simplification method. If we remove the point, so what we will have a 10 here, and what do we multiply with is a 10. So 0 0 cancel, we will have a 13. Next question, 3 6.8, we remove the point, so a 10 will come, multiply by 10, so 0 0 cancel, it is 368. Now the same question if we see with another method, so which is that method? In multiplication, as the number of zeros are there, that many digits, it will move to the right, the point will move to the right. If it's a 1 0, so the point will move to the right one digit, so your answer will be 13, as we got the same answer. Now it is 36.8 multiplied by 10, so it's only 1 0, so the point will move only one digit to the right, so answer will be 368. We can see we got the same answer. Now next questions we will do with the direct method. So there is only 1 0, so point will move one digit to the right, so we can directly write down 1537. The next one, only 1 0, that is 168.07 multiplied by 10. So as we are multiplying only with 10, so point will move only one digit to the right, so what do we will have? We will have 1680.7. Then moving on to the next, we have 31.1 multiplied by 100. So the point will go two digits to the right, so that will be 311. How we will write down the answer? Firstly, we will multiply 311 with 100. So let us say 31100. Now point is moving two digits to the right, so the point will move from here till here. So our answer will be 3110.0. The next one, if we multiply only the digits with 100, so 156100. The point is here, so from point here will go two digits to the right because there are two zeros, so it will become 1561.0. So this is the answer for this.